Dreaming of a kitchen makeover? It all starts with brand new hardwood floors. Let's make it happen with Purple Ribbon Flooring. At Purple Ribbon Flooring, we take pride in delivering quality and craftsmanship to every kitchen in Boston's South Shore. With over 25 years of experience, owner Erik Krowel ensures a personal touch on each project, working directly with you. Imagine stepping onto stunning hardwood floors that add warmth and charm to your home. Our meticulous installation process uses nail-down, floating, and glue-down methods, guaranteeing a flawless finish every time. From selecting the perfect wood to the final polish, our team brings professionalism and passion to every step, ensuring your vision comes to life. Hardwood floors aren't just a choice, they're a lifestyle. Enjoy timeless elegance, versatility, and a welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for any New England-style kitchen. Ready to elevate your space? Contact Purple Ribbon Flooring today for a free quote or consultation. Visit purpleribbonflooring.com or call us at 508-333-1798. Proudly serving Boston's South Shore, Purple Ribbon Flooring, quality, elegance, and a personal touch for your home.